Assalamualaikum class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine at home. So today the topic which we are going to revise is addition. So we will start from a simple sum. Okay, so can you see over here I have two columns, tens and ones. Okay, so what do you think, from which column will I start? I think you all are saying the ones column. You are right. Okay, so over here I have 6 and 3. So what am I going to do? I will think of 6 in my mind, and I have 6 in my mind and I'm opening 3 fingers. So after 6 I will start counting 7, 8 and 9. So what will I write here? I'm going to write 9 over here. Okay, so now I'm done with my ones column. Now I'm going to solve my tens column. So over here I have 4 and I have 2. So again I will think of 4 in my mind and I'm opening 2 more fingers, so I will count ahead. After 4 comes 5 and 6. So over here 6 will come. So my answer is 69. Okay, so now in question number 2, I have 7 and 4. Okay, so I'm starting from my ones column again. So 7 plus 4. Now I'm thinking 7 in my mind and I'm opening 4 fingers now. Let's count ahead. 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is coming 11. But we only have to write one digit over here. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to write my 1 over here, and in 11, all of you know that in 11, this is the tens and this is the ones. So the ones I'm writing over here, and 1 from the tens column I am going to carry it over here. Okay, so like you can see now, I have carried my 1 over here. So now over here it was 3. So what you will do now? You will add this 1 in the 3. So now this 3 will become 4. So now this means that this is 4. Now what will you do? In 4, you will add 2 more. So 4 in the mind and then add 2 more, 5 and 6. So my answer is 61. Okay class, so I have already done question number 1 and 2 for you. Now question number 3 and question number 4 is going to be your homework. Okay, so now let's move to the next question. Class, so now we are going to do a story sum. Okay, so let's read. Lucy went to the grocery store. She bought 16 packets of cookies and 12 packets of noodles. How many packets of grocery did she buy in all? So now when we are solving a story sum, what is the first thing we do? Yes, we have to understand the question, the story that is in the question. Okay, so over here the story is saying that Lucy, she went to the grocery store and she bought what? She bought 16 packets of cookies and 12 packets of noodles. Now the question over here is that how many packets of grocery did she buy in all? That means that how many packets did she buy altogether? So we know what the story is about. Now let's start solving. So when you are solving a story sum, you have to write the statements. So you can see the first part of the story is saying that she bought 16 packets of cookies. So we will write Lucy bought 16 packets of cookies. Okay, now what is the second part? The second part is and she also bought 12 packets of noodles. Now the second statement will be she also bought, we will write 12, we are going to write 12 packets of noodles. Okay, so we have written the first statement, that is Lucy bought 16 packets of cookies and she also bought 12 packets of noodles. So I have made the tens and ones column over here as well. So what do you think will be our last statement? So again, let's see the question. So the question was, how many packets of grocery did she buy in all? So what do you think will be our final answer statement? Our final answer statement will be, let's see, she bought dash packets of grocery in all. Okay, so now let's solve it. 6 and plus 2. So over here they're asking you that how many she bought in all. So that means you have to add both the answers. You have to find the sum. You have to find. So I will add these two. Okay, 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 on the fingers. So I will count ahead. 7, 8. So that means in my one column 8 will come. Okay, in the ones column 8 came. Now let's see the tens column. 1 plus 1. So this is very easy. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means that she bought 28 packets of grocery in all. Okay class, so your homework question is, Ahmed went to his favorite bakery to buy some donuts. If he bought 22 chocolate sprinkle donuts and 17 jelly filled donuts, how many donuts did he buy in total? Now this is the story sum you have to solve, and what is the first thing you will do? You will understand the story and then you will write the statements and then you will solve it. Okay class, take care. Allah Hafiz. I will meet you in the next session.